Welcome back to Heal with Grandma. Today, I'm sharing one of the simplest and most comforting remedies for everyday stress. Chamomile tea. Take a deep breath and let's slow down just for a moment. Chamomile has been used for generations to calm the mind, relax the body, and gently melt away stress. Look at this beautiful golden tea. Warm, soothing, just like the remedies our grandmothers made. To prepare it, take 1 cup of hot water, add a chamomile tea bag, or a spoon of dried chamomile flowers. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and allow the herbs to release their natural calming oils. You can add a little honey, or a slice of lemon, just the way Grandma used to make it. Sip it slowly. Let the warmth travel through your body. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and feel your breath becoming softer. Chamomile tea helps lower stress hormones, supports better sleep, and gives your mind a peaceful break from a busy day. Whenever life feels heavy, remember, sometimes all you need is a quiet moment and a warm cup of chamomile tea. This is Heal with Grandma, bringing you simple, natural wellness from my home to yours.